السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا علي الغزالي ومرحبا بكم في اللسان. Alhamdulillah, we've completed 2 chapters of the book, and before we move on to the 3rd chapter, I thought we would take a test to test how we did in the first 2 chapters. So open your books on page number 53. As you can see on the screen, this is a test on chapters Wahid and Ithnan, chapters 1 and 2. I'm going to explain to you what to do in the test first. So in the first question, you have a table here, and you have a bunch of words above it. All you have to do is you choose the word and you put it in the right group, in the right column. And the first group is balad, which means countries. So you put names of countries here. And then the word damir, which means pronouns. So you put pronouns here. The word raqam means number, as we learned. So you put numbers here. The word usra means family. So you put family members here. The word makan means place. So you put places here. And the word mihna means a job. So you put jobs here. This is what you have to do in the first question. Now, if we move on to the next question, very similar. We have sentences with blanks, and you have to fill the blanks, choosing from the words above. All right, simple. And then the third question is you have groups of words, and all you have to do is just cross the odd one out. All right, the one that doesn't have to do with the rest. You just have to cross it, and that would be the first page of the test. In the next page, you have some sentences with an underlined word, and that word is wrong. All you have to do is just correct it for the sentence to be grammatically correct. And then in the next one, you link from group Alif to group Ba. And then lastly, you have again to choose one of these 2 words, multiple choice basically, and that is the test. Now I want you to pause the video and then do the test, and then you can resume, watch the rest of it to know the correct answers. All right, you paused? All right. Now, let's know the correct answers. Now, for the first question, of course, we said the first column is about countries. So you would put the word Misr, the word Syria, the word Pakistan, and the word Turkey here. And then in the second column, you have the word, you have pronouns, right? Damir, we said. So you have anta, of course. You add huwa, you add hiya, and you add anti. For the third one, you add واحد, تسعة, and ثلاثة. Very good. And for usra, family members, you add, of course, جدة. You add أخت is already there. Okay, you add ibn, that's right, which means son. And you add walid, of course, which means father, as we learned. And then places, you have hammam, you have musalla, which means prayer room. And you, of course, you have ghurfa, which means a room, just a room. And for the last column, you have jobs. So mudarris, muhandisa, tabiba, and what else do we have here? Muhandisa, tabiba. Mudarris is already there. Apparently, talib. Yeah, talib is not exactly a job, but I think it is the last one here. All right. The second question, as we said, you choose. So it would be, the first one would be Ahmed fil ghurfa. He's in the room. Second one, هذه والدتي هي طبيبة. Of course, she's a doctor. هذا جدي عمر. This is my grandfather, Umar. Number 4, عادل. Of course, يقرأ القرآن. And we said يقرأ is a verb. Very good. مضارع, present verb. عادل يقرأ القرآن الكريم. Number 5 would be أحمد يصلي, which is another verb. يصلي في المسجد. Number 6 would be هذا أذان الفجر. This is the أذان of Fajr. Number 7, أنا من باكستان. And 8 would be هذه أسرة الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم. Alright, now of course you have little boxes to give yourself a mark. So I hope you got the full marks so far. For the third question, you crossed the odd one out. For number واحد, it would be, of course, نظارة. نظارة. We said نظارة means glasses. And اثنان, it would be شجرة, because حمام and غرفة and masjid are places, and شجرة is not, of course. For number ثلاثة, يتوضأ, معطف, يقرأ, يصلي, of course, would be معطف, which means coat, and the rest are verbs. رقم أربعة, صورة, ستة, اثنان, أربعة, of course, would be صورة. رقم خمسة, of course, it would be مصلى, because the other words are pronouns. All right. For the next page, the first one, رقم واحد, it would be هذه هي النظارة, because the word نظارة is a feminine word, is a linguistically feminine word. And اثنان would be هيا بنا إلى المسجد, because في means in and إلى means to, so he's saying let's go to the mosque. هيا بنا إلى المسجد. ثلاثة, والدتي سعيدة طبيبة, because of course she's a female. اسمي أحمد, أنا تركي, because Ahmad is a male. You'd remove the feminine ta. من أين أنت يا فاطمة, because Fatima is a female. Alright, next one. It would be من هذا, هل هذه شجرة, أين المعطف, where's the coat, ما اسمك, كيف حالك, من أين أنت يا عدنان. I think that was easy. For the last one, you choose from these two. So it would be هذه, again because the word صورة is a feminine word. هذه صورة أسرتي. هل هذه شجرة, because شجرة is feminine, it goes with هذه. هو يقرأ, not تقرأ, because تقرأ goes with هي. You would say هي تقرأ, or أنت تقرأ, but هو takes the ياء. هو يقرأ. هل أنت مصر? No. هل أنت مصري, because مصري is the adjective Egyptian. هذا أخي, هو مدرس, of course. And then من أين أنت? And then lastly, سعد في الحمام. He's in the bathroom, he's not from the bathroom. سعد في الحمام. And that was it for the first test in the book. And every 2 chapters, inshallah, there will be a test on the 2 chapters. And I hope you did well in the test. If you feel that you didn't do very well, then maybe you need to revise the words that we covered and practice a little bit more. And once you feel you're ready, you can, inshallah, move on with us to the 3rd chapter starting from next video. And that should be enough for today. I've been Ali Al-Ghazali, and I'll be speaking to you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.